You know what would be cool is a NASCAR league of vans. Because, I mean, they got the cars, they got the trucks. Why don't they have the vans? And is a van a truck? What do you think they did with this thing? I mean, you have a van. You're in the 80s. That's custom. You got a van in the 80s. Like, what do you do with it? Got green carpet. I don't know when the tanning bed got moved in, but because I don't think tanning beds were a thing until later in the years. That number's gone. What I wanted. I do not want to clean those wheels. You ever wash something and then you feel like you need to wash it again? Kind of how I feel right now. But we're going to put some shine juice on this front tire. Because we can't just rebuild one tire. We got to rebuild them all. Oh, yeah. Man, now what do we do? I really don't want to do the other side. Maybe I'll just do this side and leave it just like that. I really like to get this bottom section of the door. Let's see what that did. Now what do we do? She's a little. Oh boy. I forgot this thing was in here. Do we see if it works? I got an extension cord. Oh yeah. Where would you turn this thing on at? We could see sparks. How do you operate one of these? Oh, I see a dial. Oh, would you look at that? It works. I'm not laying in it. I'm just saying it works. That there is a tanning bed and a van. Shoot. It smells like burning skin. Oh. So we got a working tanning bed. And a van. Perfect.